Hi you guys, my hair looks crazy right now, but I'm gonna have my hair done. I have a wig for the first time. My girl Mercy's gonna do it, period.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind, it is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind, it is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever present crime. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. No, return policies can't be mine. Nah, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
Out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end, coming, fuck with my stole the show. Done run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Tag glow, no competition, these bitches fail, ho. Tag glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Tag glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Tag glow, keep running circles around these snail, ho. Tag glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get low, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Gang glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, ho. Tag glow, no competition, these bitches fail, ho. Tag glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Tag glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Tag glow, keep running circles around these snail, ho. Tag glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Tag glow.
Please make some noise. Give me a sign.
Dang, this is cute. Hair giving, edges giving, Slade. Now I'm finna act up. Finna act up, period. This is cute. Hey.